Got an exterior out here in Lee Summit. It's going to be the first one that we're doing this season. It's actually one of the more really faded out houses that we've seen in the last few years. A lot of little things like this. We're going to pop these guys off the garage doors, get those resprayed, pop all that off, take all these nails off that are sitting here around this garage door, just clean everything up. But this is the side right here. Just intense sun damage. It's gonna be a fun one here. It's gonna be a really good before and after on this one. But this customer here is getting ready to get this house listed. That's why we're out here, a little bit earlier than we normally would. Temperatures are good, so we feel comfortable doing it. But we're gonna go ahead and get it power washed up today and start caulking everything, getting everything prepped out tomorrow, and then just double checking on temps here because we are in early March. Like I said, it's a lot earlier than we normally would start, but we've got temps here that are going to be in the high 60s, 70s, overnight lows in the mid 40s. So I think we might be okay here. Going to either use latitude on this house for the temps, or maybe even element guard from Ben Moore, just to make sure that we're getting some paint that's going to be a little quicker drying here before the sun goes down once we start painting. But yeah, gonna have a pretty big transition here. It's gonna go to kind of a light gray with some tricorn black on the trim here. Keep those shutters black, keep the handrails, stuff like that, black. All right, day 2 here. Got good amount of this house prepped out. Almost all of the caulking done. Got that hardware off the garage doors. Get it sprayed up. Replace all these weather strips here on this garage door. Didn't mask anything quite yet because we got rain coming the next few days, but as soon as we're ready, we'll get in here and just have a masker go up ahead of the sprayer here, and yeah, it's gonna be a pretty big change. All right, day 4 here. Just got all finished up. New colors on. Went ahead, sides and the back, everything stayed body color like we usually only trim up front on most of these houses. Went ahead and hit the side door black. A couple of the doors in the back we went ahead and painted black. Other than that, everything was body. Tricorn black is on all of the trim here. Garage doors went black. Yeah, just made a big difference from all of the fading and all the cracked out caulking and everything that was on it. So big difference. They're about to go ahead and get this house listed, and hopefully this will make a big difference with all the first impressions, people coming to take a look at it. So yep, we're happy with this one. A nice 4-day job. We were able to get in here a little earlier than we normally would to get an exterior started, and everything went well on it. So we'll be on to the next one.